Hey, it's your boy JB and I'm back once again for Fat Lad Food. Today we've got my one pot chicken casserole recipe. Add some flour and then some mixed herbs and give them a good mix together. Cover 5 chicken legs with the flour mixture. Brown the chicken legs on both sides roughly for around 5 to 7 minutes. We're going to take 2 sticks of celery and 1 leek and we're going to chop it finely. Then we're going to take 4 pieces of bacon and 1 red onion and chop it finely. Then we're going to fry the bacon for 5 minutes until it's brown. We're going to add in the celery and the onions and we're going to fry for another 5 minutes. Then we're going to chop up about 5 or 6 mushrooms. And lastly we're going to chop up the carrots nice and chunky. Put the chicken legs into a casserole dish along with the bacon and celery mix and then add in the mushrooms and the carrots. Sprinkle over 2 tablespoons of the flour mix from earlier over the top of the casserole. Add in 1 pint of chicken stock and mix thoroughly. Then we're going to put it into an 180°C oven and we're going to cook it for 1 hour. Once it's cooked for that 1 hour, it's going to be nice and thick, so give it a good mix and add in all of the leeks that we chopped up earlier. Then cook it again for a further 40 minutes. And it'll be just right with some mashed potatoes on the side. As always, if you like what you see here, please give this recipe a thumbs up or share it on your favourite social media channels. If you like your recipes in print format, you can get this recipe and more on fatladfood.co.uk.